Hello, welcome to the shed. On my last video, I showed how I made my homemade 2x72-inch belt sander. I used it a lot. I made a few knives. I mostly used it to sharpen lawnmower blades, and that's what I'm going to show you on today's video. I have my lawnmower here, and what I normally do when I first start to sand it, I put it on the back side because you always got these little chips and burrs on the back side, so you need to sand that real smooth. And what I do, I don't worry about all these little chips. I don't sand all of those out because it would just be taking too much material away from the blade, and the blade wouldn't last nearly as long. So the belt I'm using is called an Orange Blaze. I buy them off of different websites off of the internet, and they hold up really well. It's some really good blade belts, and it lasts a long time. Comes in lots of different grits. So you can just find them on the internet. They usually run $7, $8 to $10 a piece. All depends on the grits and how many you buy. But I'm just going to show you from start to finish how long it takes me to do one lawnmower blade. That's it. That's how long it takes me to do a lawnmower blade. Now, a little trick I learned a long time ago. As you use these belts, you get a lot of trash that gets built up into the grits of the belts, and it gets to where they don't cut nearly as good. So what I've done, I've been using this for years. It's just an old dried up piece of silicone, and I've seen people use the soles of tennis shoes and stuff. And all you do is turn it on and rub it back and forth, and it cleans out the belt really well. Watch. And that's it. It just takes a lot of the trash out of the grits of the belt, and it helps it last a lot longer. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.